Hi, welcome to another episode of Quarantine Cooking at Home with Chris. So today we are going to be making pumpkin spice 2-ingredient dough bagels. Let's do it. Today's recipe calls for 1 cup self-rising flour, 3/4 cup plain non-fat Greek yogurt, 2 tablespoons 100% pure canned pumpkin, a half a tablespoon vanilla extract, half a tablespoon pumpkin spice, half a tablespoon of cinnamon. You're going to use an egg white as a wash. Preheat your oven at 400 degrees. In a large bowl, add yogurt, vanilla extract, and pumpkin first, followed by self-rising flour. Well, I messed up. I started with the self-rising flour. Use a rubber spatula to mix them all together. Add the cinnamon and pumpkin spice. It will be crumbly at first, which is totally normal, but continue using a rubber spatula. Next, you're going to knead the dough until it can easily form a ball, about 20 to 30 turns. Then, cut the dough into 4 sections. Roll each section of dough to a long rope, about 1/2 inch to 3/4 inch in diameter. Pinch the 2 ends together to form a bagel. Place those bagels on a cookie sheet that's been lined with parchment paper, and then lightly brush them with a little egg wash. That's just egg and a tablespoon of water. Bake for 15 to 18 minutes or until golden brown. And enjoy.